In this video, I'll guide you through how to turn off watch history on YouTube. So first, open YouTube app and then let's say I'm going to watch some video. Now on the bottom right, click on profile icon and then here you can see all of history. So now to turn off this watch history, just go to the top right corner, click on setting gear icon. Now scroll down and then click on manage all history. Now here you will see all of your watch history. To turn off this, go to the top and then here you can see history, control and interaction. So just go to the controls. Now scroll down and then here you can see right now it's turn on the watch history. So let's click on turn off. Now on the bottom right, click on pass and there you go. Now your watch history is turned off, so your history will not save to your YouTube. So this is how you can turn off watch history on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.